Assalamu alaikum dear students. Yesterday we discussed about circle and today we are going to discuss few problems on the circle. How to find the equation of a circle when the conditions are given. Now the question is that is find the equation of circle with center 5, that is with center with radius equals to 5 and whose center lies on x-axis. This means that center lies on x-axis and it passes through point 2 3. We know that the given equation of circle with center hk, radius r equals to 5. Here radius is 5, is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to all r square. Now this r is 5, which implies that 5 square. This means that the equation of circle in this case is general equation is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to 25. Now the given condition is that it passes through 2 3. This means that 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus k whole square equals to 25. Because it passes through point 2 3 means that the point 2 3 should satisfy the given equation. That is, on substituting x equals to 2, y equals to 3. That is name it equation second. Now the center lies on hk. Now the center of this circle represented by first is hk, but this hk lies on x-axis, and on x-axis points are of the form of x0. So this means that our hk is here x0. So from equation second, put h is equal to x, k equals to 0 in seconds. We get 2 minus x square plus 3 minus 0 square equals to 25, or 2 minus x square equals to 16, because 3 square is 9, and transferring to this side we get 2 minus x equals to plus minus 4 by taking the roots on both sides, which implies that either 2 minus x is 4 or 2 minus x is minus 4, which implies that x equals to minus 2 or x equals to 6. So the center hk is, which implies that the center hk is minus 2 0 or hk equals to 6 0. Hence from first substituting h equals to minus 2 0, hk equals to minus 2 0 and hk equals to 6 0, we get x plus 2 square plus y square equals to 25, or x minus 6 square plus y square equals to 25. So these are the required equations of the circle which passes through 2 3. Center lies on x-axis with radius equals to 5. Now the another question is find the equation of circle passing through point 0 0, that is passes through origin and making an intercepts a and b on the coordinate axes. Now this circle passes through center. This circle passes through origin, that is this means that it passes through origin, means origin lies on the circumference of circle. Also it cuts the axis at a distance of a units from origin. This means that this circle passes through point a0, because intercept is a on x-axis. Similarly, intercept b on y-axis means that it passes through point 0b. So this means that the given circle passes through point 0 0, a0 and 0b. So we have to find its equation. We know that x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square is the equation of circle whose center is hk and radius is r. Now it passes through point 0 0, which implies that putting x equals to 0, y equals to, from first we get h square plus k square equals to r square. Also it passes through a0 and 0b because intercepts on coordinate axes, which implies that on substituting in first we get a minus h square plus k square equals to r square, or a square plus h square minus 2ah plus k square equals to r square, because a minus h whole square equals to a square plus h square minus 2ah. Similarly, it passes through 0b, which implies that h square, it's minus h square plus b minus k square equals to r square, or h square plus b square plus k square minus 2bk equals to r square. So we have three equations, this second, third and fourth, and we have three variables, that is h, k and r. So subtracting second from third and second from fourth, we get this h is equal to a by 2 and k equals to b by 2. Put h and k in second, we get r equals to root of a square plus b square upon 2. So substituting h, k and r in equation first, we get x minus a by 2 cos square plus y minus b by 2 cos square equals to root of a square plus b square upon 2. So this is the required equation of circle which passes through point 0, 0 and cuts and intercepts a and b on the coordinate axes. Now the last question of this exercise is, does this point minus 4 minus 2.5 3.5 lies inside, outside or on the circle? We know that the given circle equation of given circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. That is, center is hk, any point on this circle is p of xy. Now the distance between this center, that is this center, and this point is r, which implies that if p lies inside the circle, this x minus h square plus y minus k should be less or equals to, should be this x minus h square plus y minus k square is less than r square. This means that when it is less than r square, this means that point lies here. Now if it lies outside this, it means that this value should be greater than r square. Now the given point is minus 2.5 3.5. So substituting in given equation, that is minus 2.5, that is we will check in the value of this LHS of this equation. It is minus 2.5 square 3.5 square, which is 18.5. This 18.5 is less than 25. So this means that this point, given point, lies inside the circle. Remember here why we are saying that this, if it is less than r square, point lies on this, because the distance between this point hk and px is root of x minus h square plus y minus k square. Now if it lies on the circle, that is its distance is r. If it lies inside the circle, its distance is less than r. If it lies outside the circle, its distance is greater than r. So when we squaring this, we simply get x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. That is why we are saying that if it is less than r square, it lies inside. If it is greater than r square, it lies outside. If it is equals to the value, if its value is equals to r square, this means that point lies on the circle. So inshallah in tomorrow's video lecture we will discuss another conic section, that is parabola. So thank you.